Hello beautiful people. Welcome back. Today in this video I am going to give you a modified GameGuardian. If you need then watch the video carefully. At fast download my MG Store application. How to download link is in description. Before the start of the video like the video and help me to reach -1 like. Just kidding. So let's roll the intro. So I am back after a few weeks. I hope you guys miss me a lot. I know nobody miss me. So let me stop my trash talking and start. At fast talk about what the GameGuardian contents. It's in the latest version of GameGuardian. Transparent alert box. Using this GameGuardian no one will able to steal your script values. And crystal clear homepage with cool look. Modified icons and much more. Open the text file in quick edit or in any application. You can get this text file on my application. Now open APK Editor Pro. Select the APK. Click on full edit, after that click on decode all files. After the loading get finished, copy the fast text from the help text. Now search the text on the search tab as shown as in the video. Replace the text to your name or YouTube channel. Now just click on build. I will talk to you after installing the application. Now look at the difference. Now mod the package name, icon, and do all. If you don't know, I will put the links of videos in description how to mod all of them. If you face any problem, comment down, I will make a video on this in detail. Peace.